The best tire shine wax enhances your vehicle's appearance, protects tires from UV damage, prevents cracking, and delivers a long-lasting, clean glossy finish. My today's video is about top 5 best tire shine wax that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Holley Tire Shine and Exterior Dressing. Give your vehicle a professional, showroom quality finish with this premium tire shine. Its fast-drying, solvent-based formula delivers a deep, rich shine without the messy sling that can stain your vehicle after driving. Whether you prefer a bold glossy look or a subtle satin finish, the versatile application lets you spray directly onto tires or use a cloth applicator for greater control. Beyond enhancing appearance, it helps protect tires, trim, plastic, vinyl, and undercarriage components from UV rays, fading, and harsh environmental conditions. The formula spreads evenly, leaving surfaces clean, non-greasy, and well-conditioned instead of overly shiny. Perfect for routine detailing, it restores a like-new appearance while extending the life of exterior surfaces. If you're looking for an easy-to-use tire dressing that combines long-lasting shine, reliable protection, and a professional finish, this tire shine is an excellent addition to any car care routine. Now our second product is Exoforma Permashine Tire Coating. Permashine is more than a traditional tire dressing, it's a durable acrylic coating designed to protect and enhance your tires for weeks. Unlike silicone-based products that quickly fade, it forms a long-lasting barrier that repels mud, grime, and road debris while helping reduce rubber wear. The high-gloss finish stays vibrant through rain, washes, and everyday driving without flaking or cracking, keeping your tires looking freshly detailed. Its quick-drying formula becomes touch-dry in about 15 minutes, eliminating messy sling onto wheels and fenders so you can drive sooner with confidence. For the best results, apply it to thoroughly clean tires to ensure maximum adhesion and durability. Ideal for drivers who want less maintenance and longer-lasting protection, Permashine delivers both outstanding appearance and practical performance. Backed by a satisfaction guarantee, it's a premium solution for anyone seeking showroom-quality shine, enhanced tire longevity, and dependable protection in a single application. Our third product is Carguy's Tire Shine Spray. Carguy's Tire Shine Spray delivers an excellent balance of appearance, protection, and ease of use for anyone who wants professional-looking tires without the mess. Its adjustable finish lets you create either a rich, wet gloss or a refined satin look, giving you complete control over your vehicle's style. The advanced polymer-infused formula penetrates and hydrates rubber while shielding tires from harmful UV rays that can cause fading, cracking, and discoloration over time. Unlike many traditional tire dressings, it dries quickly to the touch, leaving no greasy residue, sling, or streaks for a cleaner driving experience. The included applicator pad ensures smooth, even coverage with minimal effort. Manufactured in the USA using high-quality ingredients and modern production standards, this tire shine is built for reliable, long-lasting performance. Backed by responsive customer support, Carguy's Tire Shine Spray is a dependable choice for maintaining a deep shine and extending the life of your tires. Now number 4, Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Tire Coat. Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Tire Coat is an excellent choice for restoring tires to a clean, showroom-quality appearance while providing exceptional long-term protection. Its ceramic-infused formula creates a durable coating that delivers a rich, natural-looking shine without the greasy feel common with traditional tire dressings. Application is quick and straightforward, simply clean your tires, apply with the included foam applicator, and wipe away any excess for a smooth, even finish. Once cured, the coating dries completely to the touch, preventing messy sling onto your vehicle's paint while actively repelling dirt, dust, and road grime. Unlike conventional tire shine sprays that require frequent reapplication, this advanced formula is designed to last up to 10 times longer, helping maintain a fresh, detailed look through everyday driving and changing weather conditions. Backed by a satisfaction guarantee, Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Tire Coat offers a premium combination of durability, convenience, and long-lasting tire protection. And our last choice is Meguiar's G250816 Ultimate Insane Shine Tire Spray. This premium tire dressing is an excellent choice for drivers who want a bold, showroom-quality wet look that lasts. Its advanced synthetic polymer formula bonds directly to the tire sidewall, creating a deep black, high-gloss finish that resists fading far longer than ordinary tire shine sprays. The higher molecular weight chemistry provides superior durability, helping maintain a freshly detailed appearance through everyday driving in changing weather conditions. Application is simple and customizable. Spray directly onto the tire for an intense, mirror-like shine, or apply with a foam applicator for a more controlled, medium gloss finish. The formula spreads evenly, enhancing the tire's rich black color while delivering a professional-grade finish. Ideal for car enthusiasts and detailers alike, it instantly transforms dull, weathered tires into a striking focal point that complements the entire vehicle. If you love an eye-catching, soaking wet look shine with long-lasting performance, this tire dressing is a standout option. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.